We are pleased to show you the 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE comes with a full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, CD player, front bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.